So once again you are welcome to our online classes. So in our last video we have studied about present continuous tense, the use of present continuous tense. Okay na, the helping of present continuous tense is RM is with singular subjects, I with R with plural subjects and M with I, and ing form of the man verb. We have studied about that. In our today's class we will solve some examples. We will discuss about some examples of present continuous tense. So let's begin. Okay, our first sentence, look, see, cook food. As you can see in this sentence, here is look with exclamatory mark. Okay, na? It means we have to use present continuous tense, IRM or ing form in this sentence. Our subject is see. See means singular. It means we have to use helping verb is. Okay, na? With the ing form of the verb. She is cooking food. Okay, look, she is cooking food. Now the next sentence, here we can see the listen, means we have to use present continuous tense or subject is the same singular. It means we have to use helping verb is with ing form. So listen, she is singing. She is singing a song now. Now is also an adverb of present continuous tense. Okay. If we talk about next sentence, our next sentence is interrogative because we are finding at the starting of the sentence a blank and at the last of the sentence a question mark. Okay, so it means our sentence is interrogative sentence. Second thing, the adverb of present continuous tense is available in this sentence at this time. It means we have to use helping verb is and are with our subjects. Our subject is you. You is plural subject, and according to our subject we have to use our helping verb are. Okay, so are you, and we have to add ing with the main verb. So are you going? Are you going to Jaipur at this time? Okay, let's have a look of next example. He blank not blank play football now. As you can see, now is our adverb in this sentence. Okay, it means we have to use present continuous tense, and ing form. Our subject is he, and our sentence is also negative sentence. So he with singular subject we have to use helping verb is. From is and are we have to use helping verb is with singular subject and add ing with the main verb. Okay, he is not playing football now. If we talk about next sentence, it blank rain at this moment. At this moment, this is our adverb, and this adverb is of present continuous tense. Second thing, our subject is it, means singular subject. With singular subject we use is in present continuous tense, and we use ing with the main verb. Okay, if we talk about next sentence, I blank upload a video on YouTube now. As you can see, now is our adverb and our subject is I. With I we use am and ing form of the verb. It means I am uploading. I am uploading a video on YouTube now. Are you getting my words? Good. Now the next example, they read Gita nowadays. Here nowadays is our adverb and related to present continuous tense, means we have to use is and are. Our subject is they. They is a plural subject, means we have to use helping verb are. Okay na? They are and ing with the main verb reading. They are reading Gita nowadays. Okay. Our last sentence, blank I blank drive a car now. As you can see, our sentence is interrogative sentence because there is a question mark at the last of the sentence, also a blank at the starting of the sentence. Okay. Second thing, our subject is I. Okay now. So in present continuous tense we use am with I. Okay. So here we use am I, and we use ing form with the main verb. So driving. Am I driving a car now? Okay. These are some sentences of present continuous tense. Okay, that we have solved, that we have discussed about. So I hope you understand it very well. These are very simple sentences that you can understand it very well. Okay. Thank you.